In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file for StellarBlade and unlock all machines and items. Check my video description for this save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Once extract and open the folder and open the here it is the save file. Check my video description for the site link. Select this open file option and open the extracted save file and select the save and select open option. Scroll down to the bottom. You can able to see none NONE. Above that 0000. This is the one we need to modify. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Open this as B saved save games and this the Steam ID. You need to enter this number in here guys. So take a note and pen and write 7656. Write down this number. Once you write down, recheck the number 765611979602879930. Everyone has a different number, so that's why I just doing this. In this zero, just select the zero and type the number 7656119602879930. 765611979602879930. So once you type the number of your Steam ID, select this save as option and select the downloads and select save option. Once you done this, minimize this and go to downloads, and here you can able to see the modified save file. Go back to the save file location and this the Steam ID. Open the Steam ID folder. If you already have this same save file inside, then create a new folder on desktop and then drop this number save file inside this new folder like this. Just you can just copy and paste it in this new folder to take backup your game progress. And now drag and drop this modified save file. Launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and select the save file. And the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.